Hey, what's up, everybody? It's your boy Two Phones, aka I Take You Out Guy. We're here alongside with Tori as my assistant. Right now, we're finna go ahead and get to another unboxing. This unboxing tonight, I'm gonna go ahead and do the Tenergy Bluetooth beanie headset. It has ear set with it, and also it keeps your head covered. So, no further ado, I'm gonna go ahead and around the box. You can listen to music, answer calls with the built-in wireless headphones. It's also compatible with Android and iOS. And let's see, check out the features. It has a rechargeable lithium battery that provides up to 6 hours of playtime. Wireless range up to 33 feet away from the device that you use. Bluetooth version 4.1. It's also washable beanie after removing the headphones. So you can remove the headphones before you clean it, and then you can put it in the washer. All right. So no further ado, we'll go ahead and unbox this. USB cable. All right. There's the beanie headset. You also have manual instructions. And alright, so looks like on the side it has its buttons. You have the power button, you have to hold it down for the power, and you have to hit play and pause. Alright, so I'm going to use the Samsung Galaxy S7. Okay. Alright. I'm going to turn on the Bluetooth. Bluetooth's turned on. Okay. Then you're going to hold down the power button.
Power on.
Okay. Right now it's trying to find it, so we're trying to look for it. Okay, we powered it off, so now we're going to power it back on. Okay, so now it's aired. It's paired to the beanie. So what I'm gonna do is put on some music for you guys. Pop it on. Let's see what it sounds like. All right. Okay. So it's Throwback Thursday. We can go and listen to some Throwback Thursday music. Hi. Hi. Shake it like a salt shaker. 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 Alright, cool. Okay, so alright, yeah, this Beanie has some nice bass to it. Nice turbos. You can also, you know, whichever music app you got, you can customize it to your liking. It's very comfortable on the head. Let's see. I think it'd be weird. I think it'd be weird if you walking down the street, you just talking, because like I said, if you're using an earpiece to call, it look like you're not talking to anybody, which is a real, you know, I wouldn't say sneaky, but very impressive, clever way to, you know, get people to start looking at y'all differently. And you know, you got the little blue light buzzing, the little blue light beeping, blinking in your on the side of your ear. So yeah, great sound quality. I never heard of this company. It's called Tenergy. Check them out, guys. First impressions. It's like I said, it's very comfortable on the head, so you have no problems wearing it. Keep your head warm, nice. It is wintertime. Yeah. So yeah, the Bluetooth headset with the Beanie is, yeah, that's a nice combo. All right, guys, it's our first impressions and unboxing of the Tenergy Bluetooth headset Beanie. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hope you all enjoyed the entertainment. Thanks to my assistant Tori. Thank you for my lady Tiffany, who's been holding it down and behind the camera. We also will have a full review of the beanies. Maybe do it as a couple video, let you all know the difference between the guy version and the ladies version. And we also have some more reviews coming soon with the unboxings that we did with the VR headset as well. So, thanks for tuning in. Hope you all enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and share.
You found out.